Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai gold. Now, to be clear, we're talking about Thai gold. For those who are unaware, Thai gold has a different weight and measure, the baht weight, and a different purity, so weight and measure, which is mentioned in the Constitution. And it wasn't really until I got to Thailand, and when I say the Constitution, the U.S. Constitution, it wasn't really until I got to Thailand that I realized just how important weight and measure is. Thai baht weight gold operates on a different weight and measure than the sort of international standard, which, depending on how, who you talk to, but LBMA, I believe, it's sort of the standard weight and measure of bars that are sold into the liquid gold market on the London Gold Exchange, I believe. In any event, Thai baht weight is not on the international standard. It's not on the international weight and measure of the rest of gold, which there's upsides and downsides to that. One of the big upsides, in my opinion, is it doesn't fluctuate as wildly with the market that the international gold market operates on. I'm not saying it doesn't fluctuate, but it's correlated, but it's not directly impacted by the international market in gold. Meanwhile, there are some fungibility issues. The fungibility issues here in Thailand, there are none, in my opinion. You just go into a Thai gold shop, you exchange money for gold, and then you can walk back in and exchange that gold right back for money. It might take a minute or two. There's some paperwork, but it's pretty straightforward. It's not the most difficult thing in the world. So with respect to silver, what are we talking about? Well, I'm just talking about my own thinking on gold generally. If you can't tell, because I make these videos every once in a while talking about gold, I'm a bit of a gold bug. I've just always kind of liked gold. I don't think gold is the end-all be-all. I'm not one of these people on the internet that everything's going to collapse tomorrow. Put everything in gold, live in your bathtub till it's all over. That's not really how I think. But I do like precious metals. I think that they're an interesting asset. There's no counterparty risk with them in the sense that, once you own it, it is a financial asset in the sense that it's traded on financial markets, but it doesn't have any counterparty risk in and of itself. So it's interesting. Now, there are those out there that look at gold and then they look at silver. Here in Thailand, I just don't see where silver quite has the same allure as, especially Thai gold, but as gold or Thai gold in this particular jurisdiction, most notably because, as we've noted in other videos, gold is actually VAT exempt in Thailand. Silver is not. Products dealing in silver have VAT on them. I know this because I bought silver in Thailand before, and you got to pay VAT, whereas if you buy Thai gold, most notably, it's VAT exempt. Now, international standard weight gold, yeah, it's still not an issue there, but you get into international weight gold buying in Thailand, you get into a whole different kind of analysis because there's kind of a premium on it. It's not part of the market here. It really is not quite the same thing. The point of the video, though, is some folks have asked me over the past year or so what I think of silver. I don't have any problem with silver. In my younger days, I bought some silver. I'm happy I have it. I especially have some really nice numismatic coins that I really like that are, in fact, silver. But in my mind, I kind of look at, when I look at precious metals, I say, look, I've got my international gold and I got my Thai gold. And as far as silver goes, I just don't see where that fits into my needs here in Thailand. Now, this video isn't going to really apply to the vast majority of folks that are across the world because they don't live in Thailand. So it's a different analysis for those folks. But, I think Thailand's kind of unique where one could say that, look, you kind of have one kind of gold and another kind of gold.